Hello students, in this video we will discuss the question answer of lesson Gulliver's Travel. Our first question is, why did the captain send the man to the land? The captain sent the man to the land to see if any water could be found. Next is, why did the man rush back to the ship? The men rushed back to the ship because they saw no river, spring or any inhabitants on the land. Choose the correct answer. The giant carried a reaping hook because he was fighting with the other giants. He was going to reap the corn. He wanted to frighten Gulliver. Correct answer is he was going to reap the corn. Next is, they put Gulliver on the ground to look at him because they had never seen a human before. They thought he was a doll. They had never seen such a tiny man. So correct answer is they had never seen such a tiny man. Gulliver was a farmer, a sailor, a dwarf, a giant. Correct answer is a sailor. Read the following sentences carefully. The giant farmer's voice was as loud as bellowing trumpet. The giant farmer's voice was as loud as thunder. यानी कि वॉइस को कंपेयर किया जा रहा है कभी हाथी की ट्रम्पेट के साथ में और कभी जो है तूफान के साथ में. So when something is very cold we say it is as cold as ice. यानी कि जब कोई चीज़ बहुत ठंडी होती है तो हम उसको किसके साथ कंपेयर करते हैं? आइस के साथ. दिस इज़ बिकॉज आइस इज़ वेरी वेरी कोल्ड, क्योंकि आइस जो होती है बहुत ठंडी होती है. नाउ देयर इज सम वर्ड्स: रेड, स्लो, ब्लैक, जेंटल, वार्म, स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्वीट, लाइट, वाइट. So now complete the following. Use the words given in the box. First is as dash as a feather, light, as dash as a tortoise, slow, as dash as honey, sweet, as dash as snow, white, as dash as an ox, strong, as dash as night, black, as dash as a rose, red, as dash as a toast, warm, as dash as a breeze, gentle. Use the above expression to complete the following sentences. The old man's hair is as white as snow. His feet were as cold as ice. The newspaper boy was as slow dash in delivering the papers as tortoise. I felt as light dash after exercising as feather. Now create your own comparison for the following. So these are some words. I have done it like this: as tall as a tree, as fast as a rabbit, as high as a sky, as angry as a bull, as tiny as an ant, as brave as a lion. Now degree of comparison. When we compare two things or people, we add er or more than describing word. When we compare three or more things or people, we add est or most to the describing word. Like easy, easier, easiest. Like skipping is easy, jumping is easier than skipping, walking is the easiest of all. Now, strong, stronger, strongest. The dog is strong. The horse is stronger than dog. The elephant is strongest them all. Now, punctuate the following sentences using capital letters, full stops, comma, question marks, apostrophe, exclamation mark wherever necessary. So here is some sentences and you have to punctuate it. Like first is D will be capital, name of the person, first letter will be capital, and when we will start any sentence we use capital letter. Any name of, like Frisky is the name of a dog, we use capital letter. Okay, now this is the I am, not I am, so we put apostrophe here. Like this you have to do the paragraph. Now punctuate the following sentences. Like this sentence we will punctuate like this. First letter will be capital and the name of any week name, Wednesday, that will be also capital. Name of any person like Meeta, this will also be capital. name of a bank, it will also be capital. Now this sentence, using the dog wags its tail when it is pleased, but a cat waves its tail when it is angry. Next sentence, we will do the punctuation like this. When I went fishing, I caught an old shoe, a plastic bag and a bad cold. So we put comma here because some things are there like shoes, bag. Okay, so we have to use comma. Next, she fed the baby, washed the dishes, put the lights off and went to sleep. We have to punctuate like this. First letter will be capital where we putting the commas, and after last put full stop. Next, wasn't Tim born on the 26th of January 1989? Here is the question. So in answer we are going to put the question mark. Wasn't. So first letter is capital and we are asking about the question. So we are putting the question mark. Tim is the name of a person. So we are using capital letter. And the month name January. So we are putting the capital letter here also. Oh no, the bus has gone. So here we put inverted comma क्योंकि किसी के लिए कहा जा रहा है, बताया जा रहा है. Oh no, the bus has gone. So inverted comma using sentences before and after and exclamation mark क्योंकि जब हम हैरान होते हैं किसी को देखकर, कोई आश्चर्यजनक बातें होती हैं तो हम उसके आगे exclamation mark लगाते हैं. Now fill in the blanks. A giant tree यानी सबसे बड़ा पेड़. रेडवुड ट्रीज ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया. कैलिफोर्निया एक जगह है, वहाँ पे रेडवुड ट्री जो होता है वो जाइंट ट्री है, सबसे बड़ा पेड़. अ जाइंट बर्ड, ऑस्ट्रिच. अ जाइंट लैंड एनिमल, एलिफेंट. अ जाइंट वाटर क्रिएचर, ब्लू व्हेल. अ जाइंट रेप्टाइल, क्रोकोडाइल. अ जाइंट एरोप्लेन, एंटोनोव N225 Mriya. So thank you students.